Hello and welcome to my website. The title of my website is Stay Cultured. This is my homepage right here, and it basically has my website's mission, which is right here. This is my logo for my website. I wanted to go with the theme of my website for my logo, which is why I have the Afro, Africa, and like a little pig, just bringing it all together. Also on my homepage, just have this really cool picture that I thought was cool. I found it on Google. This is my About Me page. Just tells you a little bit about me, along with this really cool picture of me in Sedona. And I have my hair page. This page isn't fully developed yet, but it will have different pictures of hairstyles, along with the YouTube links or possibly videos of the tutorial for the hairstyle. This is my skin page where I will be putting different makeup routines and makeup brands that work well for dark-skinned people, along with different looks that go well with dark-skinned people, that complement our skin and just ties it all together. It would also have links to the websites for the particular beauty supplies on this site. This is my outfits page. I'll just have different outfits that I think look good and represent Black culture, basically, along with links to the websites that you can find the material on, and different hauls, like clothing hauls from YouTube will be linked on so that you can see how the clothes fit on people. This website is going to be really cool. This page is my art page. It's a little bit random, but it's just something that I thought would be cool to show people, like different African art or art like inspired by Mother Africa. This page is just going to have my vlog page where you can upload your own story along with pictures of you, possibly in some of the outfits, or your hair a certain way, or like your face fully beat with these makeup routines that will be on my site, along with a Twitter feed of tweets that I will collect. This is my contact page with my flyer, along with a contact box for people to leave their information and comment any advice or questions that they have about my website. And finally, I have my resource page that has my infographic right here, where you can just find like little information about my site, along with this YouTube video posted right underneath. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my website.